Hey everyone, it's Rick Fuller here, and today I want to talk to you about virtual staging using AI and artificial intelligence to properly stage your homes. I think most real estate agents know the power of staging, but there are some limitations to physical staging. It may not be the right property, it may not be in the right market, it may not have the right commission rate that supports getting it staged. Homes are sitting on the market longer today, so there might be an additional expense in having that furniture at the property for a longer period of time. Maybe the property just doesn't merit a full stage. Maybe it's only 1,200 square feet and it's just harder to stage that property. Or maybe it's in an area where crime is at risk and you're concerned about damage or vandalism of the stager's property. All of those lead to an additional solution, which can be virtual staging. There's a lot of great companies that are specialized in virtual staging. This is when you send them your professional photos and they stage them for you. They'll put in couches, flat screen TV, desks, beds, furniture in the home. They'll make it feel warm. They'll make it feel comfortable. And it's all done virtually. And it's all done in such a way where you can take those photos, upload them into the MLS, and have a property that gives the warm, comfortable feeling that it is professionally staged without you actually bringing furniture. My personal preference is to disclose this in whatever your confidential remarks that the property has professionally staged photos. And I like to frame this in such a way that it's not me using this simply for advertising, but to best articulate and display with the customer on what they could possibly do with the home in its best light. And so it's an opportunity to professionally stage your home. It's an opportunity in a market where we're getting less views, getting less clicks, we're getting less saves, we're getting less showings, to get the one or two buyers that are in your market to engage in that property. And if you've got a property that's been on the market for a while, I'm talking 60, 90, 120 days, and you need to freshen up those photos, virtual staging can help you do this. And it can be also a way to be able to buy a little more time with the homeowner, a different strategy to present the home in a new light. Homes get stale on the market. When you provide a fresh photo that's properly staged, that looks different than the previous photos that have been on the market for the last 4 months, you're more likely to get a click or a save or a show on that property. And showings lead to contracts. Contracts lead to closings. Your ability to get more clicks on videos and photos that are properly staged. Here are some of my favorite companies that do this. I like Box Brownie. We've been using Box Brownie for a very long time. They're a great tool and resource to properly stage photos. You send them the photos, they enhance them, they send them back, you upload them in the MLS, drop that confidential remark that I mentioned, and you've got a really powerfully staged property. I also like Apply Design or Slidod or Reimagine Home. These are all tools. We've actually got a matrix that we've created at Eisenhower Coaching and Training that takes these tools and tells you which one you should use in which application. You can download that for free, or you can go back into our Agent AI Advantage course and you can watch videos on how to use Perplexity, ChatGPT, Google Gemini to properly stage the property and to use virtual tools and resources.